Okay, so we've got all those parts assembled together, and now we just get to do all that over again and create a whole new truck and base plate and all that stuff. Just kidding. What we're going to do instead is, now that we've created those things, we can come here. We need the bushing, we need the truck base plate, and we need the hanger. We're going to take those three things and we're going to copy them, and then we're going to paste them. So now I've got a whole new set of truck base plate and hanger and bushing and all of that. So that was way easier to do that than it was to recreate this entire part all over again. So I hope that you didn't take the time to do that as we've been going through this process. So that being said, we've got this piece now, and see how it's free. It can move around. This piece is not free and able to move around because we have mated it to the skateboard. What we want to do is do the same thing with this piece. We just got to be a little bit careful because we want this one to face the opposite direction uh, compared to the other end. Like, we want this thing on this end, not in the middle. And so as we do the mating for this one, we want this hole to mate with this hole, so backwards of each other, right? And so let's give it a shot. Get our mate tool. We want the top of that hole on the bottom of the far side of the skateboard. Oops, and I did that wrong. That's not where I wanted. Let's try again. Let's give it another shot here. So, oh yeah, that is what I want to do actually. But now I've got to spin that thing around somehow to get it the way that I want it to be. So the way to fix what just happened is, when we make the mate, I still need to mate this hole to this hole. But I notice now that it's not facing the direction that I want it to. I want it to be spun around the other way. So I can click this button, which is the reorient secondary axis button is what it's called, to get it spun around to face the way that I want it to. Now we can see that my purple thing is on the outside here and the outside here, and everything looks as it should be. This is turning out to be one sick looking skateboard.